It's an honor to be here, syempre sa honor, sa launching ng X9 C5G, grabe.
Yes. So parang you've seen the phone and of course, binagsak pa and also we did some tests.
Panood ba nila yung video?
Yes.
Binagsak ko yun. Hindi na pinakita lahat pero mas maraming beses kung binagsak kong video na yun.
Yes. So we have here a special partnership and of course,
yes,
kita nyo right now. If they pre-order an Rolex, an Honor X9 C5G, pwede silang panalo na
Rolex Datejust. Ayan, pakita ko na ba? Gusto nyo ba makita? Actually, it's here. So to everyone, this is nationwide, tama?
Yes.
Nationwide, everyone who can order, or pre-order rather, on their website or dealership or anywhere actually, has a chance to win one Rolex Datejust 36mm. Reference 116234, gusto nyo ba? Diba?
yung mga specs.
It's really nice. You guys are crazy, no?
Yes. So,
raffling up your Rolex, ganun lang, grabe. This is a 520,000 pesos, guys. Pinili nila. This is
dapat yung mga
yes, tama naman. So really, well, I mean, I wouldn't, actually sinasabi nga ng iba, why Rolex now?
Yes.
That's a lot of questions. Why would you raffle Rolex? Actually, may konting resemblance kasi. Itong X9 natin, X9 C5G, may konting resemblance na dun sa Datejust na to. Which is the fluted bezel niya. As you can see sa Rolex dito, fluted yung bezel niya. It has a certain pattern. Same pattern that you can find on the back. Yes, on the bezel of the X9 C5G. Kaya naisipan yun na why not also use Rolex. And of course, actually that photo does not do justice eh. Kasi mas maganda tong hawak ko kaysa dun sa photo pa na yun. Because this one is a Jubilee bracelet, guys, okay? So, yes, very excited. Doon sa mananalo, nationwide, kung sino man yung manalo nito, we will be personally giving out this one to them on our lounge na doon sa Gentry Timepieces. So, mapupuntahin talaga natin sila doon to get their Rolex Datejust. And this will be on February 10, tama? If I'm not mistaken, somewhere?
To clarify, so kailangan nila mag-pre-order from today until January 24. Okay. And then, they get their pre-orders, of course. So once they get their pre-orders, they register their official entry sa website na may post namin on our official Facebook channel. And of course, yung raffle will be on February 3.
Grabe.
But of course, sinabi niyo earlier, you will be the one who will personally hand off this Rolex Datejust sa Gentry Timepieces at Radios.
Who's excited? Pwede rin ba sumali? Baka naman pwede rin ako sumali dyan. Baka mamaya makuha ko ulit. Sayang din eh.
Sino excited sumali sa promo, guys?
Sino ang sasali na lang? Can we see? Sino ang sasali na raffle? Who will pre-order?
Guys, that's our Rolex.
Right now, how many pre-orders na do we have?
Well, I can't disclose right now. Sorry,
sayang naman.
Pero libo-libo yan.
I'm sure libo-libo yan. Here you go. So, you hold on to that.
Yes.
We find our winner. Grabe. Actually, binigay niya sa akin kanina itong X9. Iba talaga yung design.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's crazy. Guys, you guys are crazy. Like, who would... Diba? Ang saya. Like, scratch-proof siya, water resistant, diba? Heat resistant, drop resistant. Some would agree, wipe resistant pa daw, diba?
And as you mentioned, you want to pre-order na for your team.
Yes. Sabi ko nga, mag-pre-order rin kami para sa team namin kasi medyo stressful na kami sa work. So, pag binabat na namin ito, parang okay lang. No harm, no foul.
Alright?
Yeah?
So with that, Farhan, please invite them to your channel, of course.
Please. Actually, guys, yung video that we just showed you was just posted very recently, kanina lang, 7 o'clock on our TikTok page, on our Facebook page, Paring Hype, or Hype Anzures dun sa Facebook ko, Paring Hype naman on TikTok. Ayun. So, Gentry Timepieces as well. You can visit us. If you want any Rolexes, bawal tumawad. Yun lang.
Alright.
Kayo lang pwede na tumawad. Bawal lang tumawad sa amin. Hindi guys, joke lang. Siyempre pwede pa rin tumawad. Yun. Thank you so much guys. Have a good evening and I'm very excited. Sana isa sa inyo dito ang manalo. Huwag nang lumayo, di ba?